Grandma, can I sit with you for a while?
Of course, Luna. You look a little sad today. I've just been feeling tired and stressed lately. Life can feel heavy sometimes, my dear.
Work, responsibilities. Everything feels too fast.
That's why we must slow down sometimes and breathe.
How do you always stay calm?
I've learned that worrying too much steals peace from the heart.
I wish I could think like that.
You will. Life teaches us slowly.
Sometimes I feel like I'm not doing enough.
Luna, you don't have to be perfect every day.
I feel safe talking to you.
And I will always listen to you.
You always know what to say.
That's a grandmother's job.